Someone told me love was only in the movies. It don't exist in real life these days now.
So before we say our intro, Mommy and Daddy want to kiss. Mommy too.
Mama.
Hey Ace Family!
Welcome back to our channel, guys.
What's going on, everybody? I'm not sure if you guys heard that echo, but we're in the, what is this called, baby? This is called the family room. So before we begin to this video, I do want to say that we are working on some new merch for you guys.
You guys are gonna be obsessed when you see what we're working on
Yes,
right now.
we're coming out with t-shirts, coming out with hoodies. She's even excited. We're coming out with t-shirts, we're coming out with hoodies, and all I gotta say is stay tuned for the drop because I'm excited. Yeah, show the Ace family what you did in my phone. Show them.
Crack the entire screen.
Cracked the screen, everything's just cracked. I guess my phone is her phone.
Guys, the trick when you have a baby is to give them your phone because they're gonna want your phone, but put it on airplane mode so they don't do anything crazy. But the only thing with that
She's
is
snapping.
they can delete apps, and that's what sucks, is when they delete something.
Baby, she's snapping Violet's dad, Jonathan.
She says, baby, my...
Baba.
When's Violet coming over, Elle? When's Violet coming?
You haven't showed your best friend your new home? What? She's not here. You want Violet to come over? Yeah? Okay, we're gonna invite her over, okay? Okay. So we're not sure what her best friend Violet's schedule is like because she's a pretty busy baby. But we're gonna find out and hopefully get her over here so she can see Elle's new home.
So as you guys know, we just moved and we still have a lot of furniture and a lot of things to get for the house. Everything's pretty much coming in this coming week.
Yo, this echo is real.
I know, right?
Baby! Damn, vocals. Look how beautiful you are. You look extra gorgeous today. Okay, sit right there. Sit right there for Dada. Thank you. Can you model? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Model.
Model.
Cheese. Smile. Smile. Oh, model. Model for the Ace family.
Like this, like model.
Baby. Oh, you take... What'd I tell you about taking selfies of yourself? What? Guys, Elle recently has been doing this thing with her hair where she like slicks it back. She's like, and it's like the cutest thing ever. I want her to do it. Let's see. Let's see if I can get her to do it.
Mama?
Oh, that's the cutest thing ever. Who is that? Who is that? By the way, guys, this is a picture she pulled up. It's Mama and Dada, and Mama is breastfeeding Bebe.
We have to go grocery shopping.
Yes, we do.
Like ASAP. Oh, this is an old picture. Oh my god, this is like October 3rd.
I know. She pulled it up and she said, Mama, Dada.
She was really chunky when she was tiny. Look.
Oh. Don't show them. Do not show them.
I have to.
Don't show them.
I have
You can only show them if they give this video a thumbs up right now.
Okay.
Guys, I'm trusting you right now to give this video a thumbs up if you really want to see an old picture of Ellen. She was...
Alright.
You ready? Oh my... Look at the chunk.
Is it?
She looked like some Hawaiian bread.
Look, this is extra chunky. Look at this one. This is a never before seen picture.
Never before seen. That's all I get to see. Now she looks like this. Don't show yourself. Don't show yourself. Don't show yourself. All right, guys, so now we're about to go grab some food. The other day, Catherine introduced me to the best bagel in the world. If you know what I'm talking about, just comment below. I'm very curious to know if you guys know what the best bagel in the world is.
Tell them what it is.
I want to explain to them that this bagel, I love this bagel so much that I might love it as much as I love you. Like, look at the way she's looking at me. Tell them about the bagel.
So this bagel was introduced to my brother and I when we were in our teens before we would go to school. My mom would stop by this place and get the same bagel every single morning. And I remember just like waking up and just wanting to get the bagel before I went to school. So that was like my motivation. So I just told Austin about it the other day. I just grabbed like a couple and I made it for him in the morning and he was like, oh my god, this is so good. So we have to tell you guys the secret.
Let's go get it. Guys, we are now here. You don't understand. I'm so excited. When it comes to food, no, when it comes to food with Catherine, oh, that baby can eat more than me. That's why I love her. She don't care what nobody think and she just eat all the food. But guys, this weather, I don't know about this weather. Like, I'm not a fan of the cold. I know it's gonna be like this for some time, but hopefully not too long. This weather is okay when it's Christmas time. That's when I'm okay with this weather. It has to be cold around Christmas. It's just that Christmas vibe, you know?
She's trying to get down herself.
You look like an Eskimo. Look right there, baby. That lighting. Look, come over here. That lighting is something else. Your skin?
Crazy today.
No, your skin is glistening.
So you guys might have guessed it. It's Panera Bread.
All right, so since you know the best bagel in the world is at Panera Bread, do you know what bagel it is? Ooh, the food just got here. Oh, y'all ready to see the best bagel in the world from Panera Bread? Here it is. Tell them what bagel it is, baby.
Cinnamon crunch bagel with hazelnut cream cheese, but we got ours with it's called honey walnut.
Fire.
So good.
Oh my god, what did they put on this? It's a cinnamon bagel too. And the sauce is, I mean, the cream cheese is unreal. Woof, that bagel was delicious. I low-key gotta take a boo-boo now though. We are now at Target. We have to run in here and grab some diapers for Elle. We gotta get some hangers. We gotta get a bunch of just everything because our house needs everything. So we'll see you guys inside. Why are there no carts left? Which one should we choose? I choose this one. Catherine's mad at us right now. Baby, don't be mad at us. There was only one cart left, and you got it. What was Elle and I gonna do? Huh?
That's for handicapped people.
It's actually for parents with babies too. You having fun? Yeah. Okay, so far we got body wash, soap, razors, bar of soap, and that's it. And we still need diapers and hangers. You want to drive? All right, Elle, you ready? You're gonna drive, okay? You take over. Pull this back. Okay, you have to pull this back right here. Pull this. Pull this. Good. Go, go, go. Go. Look, no hands, guys. Look. So I think you need Pampers 6, right? Pampers 6? Okay. These ones. You are getting big, baby. Is this the right size for you? I think that's good. Alright. I think that's good. Alright. What? You don't want that to be in the way of the camera? Okay. Let's move. Where can we move it? Let's put it down here. Alright. Here we go. On our way. Now we're gonna look for mommy again. Say mama.
Mama.
No, say it loud. Mama.
Mama.
Good. Mama.
Mama.
Mama?
Dada.
What? That does right here. Mama.
Mama.
Mama. Hi.
I swear, guys, every time we come out, I swear I have to watch 2 babies. Look at this.
What are you doing? Guys, whenever we are out grocery shopping or furniture shopping, Catherine takes it so serious. Just look at her, look at her. Baby, can we go?
What the hell are you doing?
I don't know, she's just too serious for me. Look at Elle, making a mess. I'm over here like... Damn, baby, we got way more stuff than we thought we were gonna get.
I know.
Alright guys, so every time Catherine and I go grocery shopping, we always try and guess what the total amount is.
What's the bet first?
The bet is... Oh, remember when yesterday when you told me to jump in the pool, but I said it was way too cold? So that's the bet. Whoever gets the furthest away from the total amount has to jump in the freezing cold pool.
Okay.
Alright? With your clothes on though, because if you jump in butt naked, you might freeze to death.
Okay.
So we have to jump in with our clothes on, whoever gets the first away from the total amount.
Alright, so you can't look at the amount.
I'm not gonna look. Alright, so all this stuff right here, we got all this stuff. What do you think the total amount is?
I say 95.
95?
What do you say?
I say
Yeah.
105. So whoever's the closest does not have to jump in the freezing cold pool.
We're betting right now. We're betting on camera.
Yeah, I
They
know.
hear us. They know what we're doing.
Wait! We're barely halfway through. You see it, you see the amount. 177.
Why was it so off?
Yes! Yes!
I'm always good at this.
You have to jump in the freezing cold pool. Freezing cold pool.
So you know what?
What?
One of our Ace family members works here and she just told me that she's gonna give me a discount.
That's not gonna help.
It might help. It might help. It might help.
It's
You
not gonna
see,
help.
She says. Even
That's
the
cheating.
cashier
That's
said-
cheating.
The cashier says like, yep.
Catherine said $95. We're at $220. And I feel so bad because the pool is so cold that Catherine can potentially get sick. But it's a bet. You gotta do it. Sorry, it's a bet. It's a bet. You gotta do it. The moment of truth for the discount.
Wow, we were both.
Ah!
We were both so off. So I said 95 because I didn't realize I put that much in there, and then he said.
I said 105. Yes! I don't have to jump in the freezing cold pool. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, I was so nervous because whenever we play that game, Catherine always wins. She's so good with numbers. I don't know what it is. She's just great with numbers. She should definitely be on The Price is Right because that's how good she is. But this time, Daddy took the W. Now we're gonna go home, and as soon as we get home, she don't gotta take no clothes off. She's gonna jump in the pool with all her clothes. And she probably gonna freeze her little fine ass. All right, guys, so I'm just waiting for my baby to walk out. She has to jump in this freezing cold pool. Oh my gosh. Just from barely touching, my nipples go hard. Baby, where are you? Here she comes. Come on out from Heidi. Are you ready for this? Yo, feel how cold the pool is right now.
I just want to jump.
You're just gonna jump? You're a savage like that? Are you serious? Are you? Wait! I'm nervous for you.
Wait, stop.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Hold up. I can't let you do this. Hold up, one sec. Wait. Before you do this, let me at least get you a towel. So your ass don't freeze to death. Hold up. All right, baby, here's a towel.
So am I jumping and swimming or jumping getting out?
Whatever you want to do, but you have to jump in the deep end. So you have to jump.
Deep end?
Yeah, the
Why?
deep end.
Why?
So your whole body gets wet.
My whole body's gonna get wet when I jump in.
No, baby, because your legs gonna hit and your upper half gonna be dry.
I'm gonna jump in. Okay, fine.
All right. Hold on. I'm so nervous for you.
Stop!
Give me a kiss. Yo.
You're lucky I didn't do my hair today.
You know how to swim, right?
I used to be a swimmer.
Okay. If it's too cold, just yell panic and I'll jump in and save you. Okay?
Alright, so this is my plan. I'm gonna jump and then swim all the way to the edge over there and then get out.
All right, that's fair. Oh my God, she did it. Oh, look at her face. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Baby, how cold was it?
It's freezing.
Here, baby, here, baby, here. Here's a towel. I love you. I love you so much. Give me a kiss. I'm so proud of you, baby. You're a trooper. Some people are poor sports when it comes to losing bets, but you're a trooper. I would never do that shit.
Wait, so hey, when I jumped, did you actually think I was gonna do it?
No, I was in shock. Was it fun swimming in your own pool? Yeah.
It was.
We gotta heat this pool so we can start swimming.
You do. So cold.
I know, I can hear it.
So cold.
I can hear it in your voice. My baby is freezing. Look at her goosebumps. Oh my gosh, baby. I guess you learned your lesson, huh? You won't be Ben Daddy no more.
Next time you're gonna lose.
Yeah, okay. Well, as you can see me, I'm over here dry.
I'm gonna push you in there.
No, you're not. I'm the type of person that will like overreact and like I might have a heart attack. Yo, I'm impressed. You took that shit like a beast, bro.
Can you give me the blanket you're laying on, please?
Alright guys, so while she's over there freezing her ass off, I'm gonna close out this video. Guys, I hope you guys didn't forget, because we didn't forget, that we still will be picking a few Ace family members to spend the night. Yes, people, we are still doing it. We just need for the house to be fully furnished so everyone feels comfortable. But just know, when the house is completely furnished, in a few weeks, we'll be having a few Ace family members spend the night. We're gonna have one big sleepover. So just make sure you have our post notifications turned on, make sure you're watching our videos all the way through. Make sure you're commenting, make sure you're liking, make sure you're just showing love and support. At the end of the day, if you just show us love and support, you're gonna have a chance to sleep over at the Ace family house. I'm so excited for that.
I know. We're gonna have so much fun.
Yes, we're gonna do everything with you guys.
We're gonna play games. We're gonna do challenges, maybe.
Yes.
What else can we do?
You guys don't understand how much fun it's gonna be. We're gonna take you guys to our favorite restaurant. We're gonna let you guys pick out whatever merch you guys want. We're just gonna, you know, just adopt you pretty much. If you watch this video all the way through, comment below Ace Family Sleepover soon. So thank you for tuning in as always. And before we close out our video, we do have to give our post notification shout out to who, baby? First of all, shout out to the beautiful lady who gave us $10 off at Target. And
shout out to Tanisha Nez.
shout out to you, Tanisha. Thank you so much for joining the Ace family and having our post notifications turned on. Whoever else would like a post notification shout out, all you gotta do is subscribe to the Ace family, turn on our post notifications, then comment when done. And obviously, if you like this video, you gotta give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like me and my beautiful freezing queen over here always say, we'll be back with more videos. Peace.